Tristan, it's Isabel. It's Isabel. What's she doing? What's Isabel doing? Look, pet her. To pet her. So good girl, Duty Smell. Look who it is. Yay! Yay! Good girl, Isabel. Good girl. What's she doing to you? What's she doing to you? Look. Ooh. Don't bite his hand. Don't bite his hand.
Tristan.
Hi. Is Isabel laying on you? Is Isabel laying on you?
A day. Also, I like to sing to myself a lot.
Isabel laying on you.
Aww.
Aww.
Aww, look, she gave him a kiss.
Good girl, Isabel. Good girl.
Did Isabel give you a kiss, honey? Yeah.
Easy, Isabel.
Watch out. say bye bye,
Oh,
Kim Kim.
there's another kid.